First, let's try the microphone. I am from Bosnia, take me to America. Now, is it working? Yeah. Kevin Charles John. Charles John. I found out that today, that his middle name is Charles. So, Mr. Charles, can you start the car? So, we are starting this car last couple of weeks, and this is now successful start of the car because there is no more shit in the lines. Kevin cleaned the carburetor, everything working just fine. Give him a bit, one. No, you can't. Come on, come on. Okay. Kill her. Kill her. Stop. Right. So Kevin has to connect the clutch so we can go for a spin. Then obviously we need to fix the brakes, right? Yeah. And the problem was with the petrol tank. It was old and rusty, which is fine. So we cleaned the leads and we cleaned the petrol tank again. I doubt that that petrol tank will be on the car, but I want to show you something else, how we clean the petrol tank. Mr. Muchko, can you hold this for me for a second? Yes.
Keep that as well.
So this is industrial polisher for polishing nice stuff, but Kevin Charles John has a great idea to tighten this on the industrial polisher, put some water and the greaser inside, put some bolts and nuts, and that shite is shaking for a while, and then we'll clean the petrol tank. Then we will see is there any leakings or not. If it's fine, it goes on the car. If it's not, it goes to the scrap, and we'll find the other one. Michko, give me that. This is a new, this is a new eyes on Anglia. And they're gonna go here. This goes on the lights, right? It lives here. Lights are ready, so we're gonna fit it here. We have too much white bumper, white grille. This is gonna, so we decide this to be blue. Actually, Kevin forced me, I want it to be white. But there is one more part which goes here. It is in chrome. It's not a big deal to buy a new one. We can polish this one, but you see there is a tiny dent over there. Kevin Charles John claimed that he can fix that. I'm not sure. But if it doesn't fit, let's return over there so we can see how it fits on the car. And this is something what I want to ask you, the dear viewers. Is this gonna be good like this, or you would fit this in a white color? Tell me, what do you think? Write a comment, curse, complain about whatever you want, so I can sandblast this, put in the primer and paint it white, or leave it in the chrome as it is. All this detailing saying that our car is almost done and she'll be ready to go. This is door frames, they were wrecked totally. This one is in the primer and it will be blue, and it lives on the side of the car. There is a few of them, and Kevin Charles John has to fix them before. So what I said, clutch, brakes, and one more detail. Yes, I have this. It's really posh, huh? It's white. It's gear stick, gear lever. It goes there. It will be posh, huh? It goes there. So I hope so. In the next episode, next video, we'll be ready to maybe drive her around. Now, I want to finish this video. Kevin Charles John Michko. Guys, thank you that you've been with us all this time. And 1, 2, 3. I am from Bosnia, take me to America. I really don't want to see Statue of Liberty. Bye-bye, see you next episode.